On the issue of the water charges itself, I think that Paul Murphy and his campaign, naturally enough, because they were out to get as much support as they could, put around the view that there was confusion, or that that we were unsure of our position. We have been very sure of this matter actually since the year 2010 in terms of this date, and prior to that in 2007, when we knocked on the head the British government plans to introduce new charges for domestic water in the north. Just to say this, what Paul and his colleagues did was to run their campaign on the basis of essentially a slogan saying to people, don't pay. Our position as part of the Right to Water campaign is not to advocate a no-pay policy. The Right to Water campaign does not advocate that position. We respect the fact that people and individual households have to make that call, and that will be dependent on how many people are in a household, if they're adults or children, the income level of that household, and it will also be coloured by the very real facts that government continues to say, well, if you don't pay, your supply may be reduced to a trickle. If you don't pay, that there might be a difficulty around your tenancy agreement. And those are very serious things for any family to face into. And we're conscious of that because we do have...
So do you think the socialists then were irresponsible to go around telling people?
Well, I tell you this, I believe that if we take our experience of no-pay campaigns, take the bin charges. I still have in my home area of Cabra and the inner city people who come to me who are still paying back those bills. And let me tell you this, you see the people who said to them, don't pay, don't pay, don't pay, they are nowhere to be seen now. And there was a similar experience in respect of the household charge, a similar experience in respect of the property tax. We're opposed to that property tax, but we were very clear to say to people, when you're deciding for yourself and for your family, do so with your eyes wide open. And we are not presumptuous enough to imagine that we tell people what to do. Far from it.